Another wonderful spot here. We are at BIG4 Taunton Park in the heart of Margaret River, Western Australia. Rob and Julie have taken us around the park and it is on their beef farm. So guess what? They have supplied us with some beautiful T-bone steaks right from their farm. Because we have such wonderful steaks today, I created a cracking sauce to go with these. It is a creamy garlic creme fraiche sauce, and I'm going to cook up some cheeky wedges too. Let's get started. For our wedges, I've just parboiled them for 20 minutes on the barbecue until they are just tender. This is a great way to ensure that the wedges are nice and fluffy, and then we're going to coat them with a lot of oil and then season with salt, pepper, and I'm going to throw on a bit of garlic powder too. Now these will just go into the cooking grill over medium heat and we'll cook them for about 4 minutes aside, just until they're nice and golden and crispy. The first couple of ingredients to build the base of our sauce are some golden shallots and garlic that we picked up from the garden basket at Margaret River. I'm just going to finely chop these, then we'll add them into a frying pan. Our BBQ is already preheating, so I'm going to go on with one of our pans, pop that on, and then we'll add in some butter. Delicious. And then pop our shallots on. So we'll let them cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they're nice and golden, and then we'll go in with the garlic. Look at our shallots, they are beautifully golden, so now we are ready to go in with the rest of the sauce ingredients. So here I have some creme fraiche that can go straight in. It's quite similar to sour cream, but not as tangy. But this sauce has a beautiful light tang that leaves you wanting more and more, especially with the beautiful beef juices. Add that in. And I'm going in with some Dijon mustard, just about 2 teaspoons, and this will help add another wonderful flavour base. Next ingredient, which is going to add to our richness, is an egg yolk. That can go straight in, along with some chives. If you don't have any chives, you can use another herb of your choice. And then half a lemon squeezed in. And then we'll just let that cook for another couple minutes until it starts to bubble and thicken. Now we're on to the most exciting part, getting onto our steaks. These are a 3/4 Wagyu cross with a Hereford. So they have wonderful marbling and of course that beautiful beefy flavour we all love. Keeping it nice and simple and letting that beef shine, so all these need is a little olive oil, salt and pepper. All right, these are ready to go straight on. No mucking about. Our grill is nice and hot. Look at that sear. Beautiful sizzle. So only 2 to 3 minutes. Keep that lid closed as well. One of these steaks is a little bit thinner, so I'm just going to flip that now. Straight in. Look at that. I am salivating. Cannot wait. Have a look at that sear and caramelization. Pop that on there. And now I'm going to try and get Rob to come in and say a few words about this wonderful beef. Come on.
Well, the beef we've got is 3/4 cross Wagyu and Hereford, probably out of an 18-month-old animal. It always tastes nice.
How do you reckon I've cooked it? Looks all right?
Well, we'll see what happens when we cut it open,
We'll
but I
see.
think you've done a marvellous job.
Thank you. Now, you were mentioning that this is just pure grass-fed.
Yep, these animals actually bred on the farm.
Yep.
Purely grass-fed, no grain at all.
And they were so marbled.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, really surprised, you know, so.
Yeah, it's all those magic within the breed.
That's right, magic and plenty of green grass.
Absolutely. Thank you so much again
Cheers.
for having us.
No, thank you for coming with us.
Oh, you're welcome. If you'd like a copy of this recipe, head to our website, and now I think it's time we tuck in and you get away in weather.